Hi guys, Marvin here from shopsadapage.com, and I'm sorry if this video is a little bit late because of deadlines, commitments, and what have you, but it's better to be late than never, right? So as you can tell, our channel is being dominated right now by mechanical keyboard reviews, and why not? Mechanical keyboard when it comes to gaming peripherals is, in my opinion, the most customizable one. There's more to it than just a tool for typing, and you can't really understand it until you dive in deeper into this hobby. And one way to learn about mechanical keyboards other than just reading, researching, and watching reviews is to attend meetups and gatherings. And that's exactly what I did. I was lucky enough to attend the Mech Collective 2019 event organized by the awesome people behind Mechanical Keyboard Warriors PH group. I was able to finally meet different people that I talk on a daily basis about mechanical keyboards, and of course met new friends as well with the same passion and interest. There are a lot of keyboards obviously at the event, from basic pre-built keyboards up to unbelievably expensive ones. There is also a lot of unique custom builds with different custom keycaps and accessories, and I got the chance to test different switches too. A handful of gaming brands were also present at the event to showcase their products and show their support, like Corsair, Cooler Master, HyperX, Fantech Philippines, Iorax, Kale, QAnchor, and tipidpc.com. It is pretty awesome that the mechanical keyboard community are getting a lot of support from these brands. There were also a lot of prizes and giveaways during the event that just being there is totally worth it. Kudos to Sir Carlos, Sir Mick, and all the people behind this event, as well as the sponsor brands and individual contributors. I'm now looking forward to Mech Collective 2020. By the way, if ever you saw your keyboard in this video, please comment down below, and if ever I skipped yours, I am very sorry as there's a lot of stuff going on in the event, so I wasn't able to shoot everything. I also want to thank those people who tapped me, chatted with me, and took some pictures together. It was definitely a fun night. There you have it guys. If you want to see more mechanical keyboard content, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.